Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this turtleneck that just covers your chest and your back. I made it with needles and with just one skein of yarn of Alice. I will show you the yarn that I use, and remember that if you want to buy the same yarn that I use in all the videos, at the end I will leave all the information so you can buy it. It is so simple, so easy. In just one video you will learn how to make it. I love to make this kind of garments because they are so simple and so useful. These just cover your chest and your back and of course your neck, so it's perfect for this winter and for this season that it's cold. I think that in countries like Canada, United States and some parts of North America, well, there is so cold right now, also in some parts of Europe and in Asia. It's so cold, even in March you will feel cold. Well, this is perfect because you don't feel like you're wearing too much. You just wear this and your jacket and you feel very protected, and I'm sure it will be very comfortable for you, for your kids. So I will give you the material list first and then we will start with the step-by-step and I will show you how we are going to make it, okay? So let's start. Well, for this piece we are going to need one skein of yarn. I use this maxi long of Alice. It is of 250 grams and one needle of number 12 and one needle of number 4. Here I will leave the info and you can get all of these materials. Okay, with one thread of this nonce yarn we are going to cast on. We will use the needle of number 12 and I will show you how we are going to cast on. Remember that there are a lot of different ways that you can cast on. This is the way I make it, okay? And like this, using both numbers of needles, we are going to cast on 30 stitches. And like this until you have 30 stitches, okay? So let's continue. Okay, so here we finished to cast on and now we are going to start making the first row. We are going to knit, then pour, knit, and pour. And like this the whole row. Remember to count 30 stitches.
Ahorita en esta vuelta es un derecho, un revés, un derecho, un revés, y en la otra vuelta se invierten los puntos. El que es derecho es revés y el que es revés es derecho. Entonces ahorita que acabemos la vuelta nos vemos para que les diga cómo vamos a tejer.
Now in the second row we are going to make it to the contrary like we were making before, okay? Here we are going to pour because here we knit. Then here, with this cross thread, you know that this is pour. So here we are going to knit and then pour and knit. So where we knit, we are going to pour, and when we pour, we are going to knit. And like this, in each row, we are going to change until we have 20 centimeters approximately, okay? At the end, I've made 27 or 26 centimeters of long. With this 26 centimeters of long and with the 30 stitches, we are going to bind off. We are going to bind off 24 and we are going to leave 6 stitches to continue knitting, okay? So like this, I'm going to bind off. I'm going to take 2 together, knit them, and I will come back with 1. And like this, the 24 stitches. I make this to have one piece, okay? So we are going to knit, then pour, so as it shows, okay? Knit, pour, knit, pour, and knit. So here we have one row. We are going to make one row more with these 6 stitches. Pass the first one, pour, as it shows, okay? Pour, then knit, pour, and knit. So we have 2 rows. Now from here we are going to increase the stitches that we binned off before, the 24, okay? Like this. Remember that if you are using a more fine yarn, well, you are going to cast on more stitches since the beginning, okay? Like I'm using this kind of yarn, well, I cast on the number that I told you before, but if you are using a different material, well, you have to take that into account, okay? So like this, we are going to cast on again the 24 stitches. We are going to cast them loose because remember that we are using the needle of number 12 too, so we have to take that into account. So I'm going to count them: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, now that I have again the 30 stitches in my needles, we are going to knit like we made in this side, okay? Remember that we knit and we pour, and like this until we have the same number of rows that we made in this side. So see you when I finish. Well, it has to look like this. Look at the colors. I love how it looks. I already counted and I made the same number of rows in this side than in the other side. Look. So now we are going to bind off with the other needle like this, and then we are going to continue with the neck. We are going to bind off like I show you, like this. We are going to take 2 together, and then we are going to come back like with 1. And like this until we have 1 stitch, okay? So see you there. Okay, here we are going to cut, and then we are going to make a chain like this. So we finished. Okay, once we have both sides binned off, then we are going to leave 6 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here in the 7th we are going to start casting on to make the neck. Like this, I will show you how. So here we are going to make a knot, and now with this needle we are going to cast on like this. So 1 in each chain like this until we finish here, and here on the other side we are going to leave 6 stitches too. We are going to count them like this, counting these threads: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here in the 7th we are going to place a marker, and then we are going to cast on until here, okay? Once you finish to cast on, at the end you will have 36 stitches, okay? Now we are going to knit rib. I don't know if that's the correct name, but I will show you how. You are going to knit 2, 1 and 2, then pour 2, 1 and 2, then knit 2, and pour 2, and like this the whole row. To start the next row, we are going to pass the first one like this, then we are going to knit it. We are going to know that we have to knit it because we will see this V here in the front, so we are going to knit it, and then we will see that here we are going to pour because we have like this cross thread here, so we are going to pour this both like this, and then we are going to knit, 2, pour, and like this we are going to continue as many rows as we need to obtain the long of our neck that we want. Remember that we are going to fold. And look, here I finished, and this is how it looks. I already binned off loose because remember that it has to fit in your head, and you are going to fold this for your neck, okay? I will tell you how many centimeters I made so you can have an idea how many rows you have to make, and remember that it's also according to the yarn that you are using. Okay, so 35 centimeters, and I made 40 rows. And with this we will finish. Now we are going to cut a long thread from the yarn that we have left, and now with our embroidery needle we are going to sew the side of our neck, okay? I will show you how. So using this thread we are going to fold, and then we are going to sew this part, the neck, to form the turtleneck, and then this side of the shoulder to have like this, and with this we will finish. Whereas this pleat is the wrong side and this is the right side, so you can sew in both sides, it doesn't matter, it won't look bad, okay? So we are going to take one stitch from here and one from here, and like this we are going to sew. But I will tell you one secret. I will share this secret with you because we are friends and I share all my secrets with you. So here you can see that I joined the other one other thread, because if I continue with the nonce color as the yarn looks, it will continue with this color, and I wanted to have another tone of blue, so I got one few centimeters to have this combination. So remember that it's up to you, like you don't have to make it like everything as it goes. If you feel that you are going to like more in these shades of color, well, you can cut threads and then join the other thread with the color that you like. So this is what I made. So we are going to continue sewing, and with this we will finish. Well, this is the final result, and look, all the colors, all the shades of blue. I love how it looks, this turtleneck, and it's so comfortable. In just one video, as I told you, you learn how to make this. So let's see how it looks. Well, so look, how do you think? I love using this material because I love how all the colors are coming out and how they look, and it's so comfortable. I'm sure your kids will love it because it's so comfy. But well, I want to invite all of you, if you live around Europe or you live in Spain, well, I will be in Bilbao in the beginning of February and at the end of January. I will be 4 days in this amazing fair. It will be in Becos Baracalbo. In Bilbao, here I will leave all the information. I go every year, and every year I go, I see things different. It's so beautiful. This fair is of trends and creativity. If you haven't been there and it's your first time, well, I invite you to go. You will see all the journals, all the magazines. I will be there. I will show you all the exhibitions and all these garments that I create. So please, if you can go, I will be very happy to see you there. Okay, remember, here I will leave all the info, and if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask us and to send us an email. Okay, call us and we will be very glad and very happy to tell you all the information. Okay, so I hope that you can make it. Remember that it will be in Bilbao, and it's you can find more information in their webpage. And well, I really enjoy making this video with you. I hope that you like it. I love making it. So please, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Here I will leave the link where you can subscribe to my English and to my Spanish channel, okay? And also follow me on my social media in Instagram and Facebook. Here I will leave the link where you can subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you next Wednesday. And please leave me a comment and more ideas that you want me to make. Bye!